Want to know how to safeguard your home from unwelcome visitors without having to struggle spending hours of research and all of the home security options available? Question: when it comes to home security, what do you think is the biggest challenge most people have? One of the biggest challenges is finding a home security expert who will listen to your needs and come up with an affordable solution. Why is this such a challenge? It's because so many people make this big mistake. They believe home security is expensive and so put it off until their home is broken into. Why should you care? You should share because the time and cost involved in filing police reports and dealing with insurance companies, not to mention how unlikely it is you'll get back your most precious possessions, is far greater than the effort and expense required to set up your home alarm system. So you're ready to find out how to choose the right home security system for you? Perfect. Let's make this easy. Here are 3 tips to help you find an affordable home security system in Sydney. This is what you need to know. Tip 1. There are a number of different options available. This is important because once you understand the type of options available, you'll stop delaying protecting what matters to you most. Home security does not have to be expensive. Now you should be ready to speak to a home security installation expert. Tip 2. Ask whether a wireless alarm system is available. Wireless alarm systems are usually cheaper. Also, if you are living in a double or triple story house with limited roof access, a wireless alarm system will allow you to cover more areas of your home. The next thing you need to consider is to make sure any quote you receive also includes a wireless option. Tip 3. Don't be sucked into signing a contract for an expensive alarm monitoring service. This is important as you may not need this service, especially if you can access your security cameras remotely from your phone. Your next step is to make sure any quote you receive separates out the cost of any alarm monitoring service. Now you understand some of the top tips to choose an affordable home security system, there's no reason to delay speaking to a home security expert and getting a quote. Ready to find your affordable home security system? Complete Home Security Solutions Sydney is here to help. Contact us today.